everyone! Today, I'm transforming your look with the ultimate festival, colorful makeup look. Perfect for festivals, concerts, or any Coachella-style event. Let's get bold and colorful. First up, bold eyeshadows. I'm diving right in with a vibrant pink in the crease, then adding a pop of electric blue on the lids. Remember, festival makeup is all about being fun and creative, so don't be afraid to mix and match colors. Next, let's get extra sparkly. I'm adding glitter to the center of my eyelid for some eye-catching glam. For that fun, festival-ready finish, I'm popping a few rhinestones on the outer corner. Quick tip, use eyelash glue to keep those rhinestones in place all day and night. For an edgy twist, I'm using a graphic liner or a colorful winged liner. Pick a vibrant hue like electric yellow or bold purple. Keep those lines sharp with a fine-tipped liner pen for precision. Now let's move on to the skin. We want a dewy, glowing complexion that complements our bold eyes. I'm applying a dewy foundation for that healthy glow. Pro tip, mix a liquid highlighter with your foundation for an extra festival glow. To finish off the look, I'm going bold with the lips. Choose a fun color like bright red, orange, or purple, or even go for an ombre effect for an added pop. And there you have it, your vibrant festival colorful makeup look, perfect for making a statement at any event. I want to know which colors you'll be rocking this festival season, so drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more colorful fun. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.